Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start on a desktop browser because Gmail on mobile doesn't let you change its notification sound directly. First, sign into the Gmail account you want to modify, then open your Google account settings in a new tab. Once done, make sure you have a short MP3 or WAV file saved locally. You'll use it when we create a custom sound through the system notifications setup. Follow me, we'll link that file to notifications in the next steps. Now you'll allow Gmail to send notifications and point the system to your new sound. In the browser, confirm Mail. Google.com is allowed to show notifications. Then switch to your operating system sound or notification settings. On Windows, go to Sound Control Panel. On Mac OS, use Sound Preferences, and add or select your MP3/WAV as the alert sound. Once that's set, return to Gmail settings and ensure desktop notifications are turned on so the browser will trigger the sound you assigned. To finish, send yourself a test email and watch for the desktop alert and custom sound. You should hear the file you selected. If you don't, check browser notification permissions, verify the OS is not in Do Not Disturb or Focus mode, and confirm the sound file is still available in system settings. If problems persist, restart the browser, clear site data for Mail. Google.com, and re-enable notifications. That usually resolves permission glitch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.